thanks for joining me today. A big hello to you all. I just want to say, sorry, Charlie's headbutting thing. Just want to say, stop it. To you all, a great big huge thank you to all of you that left me wonderful messages yesterday after my massive I'm gonna get him off there, massive meltdown. Honestly, you do not know how much those messages meant to me and how much they helped me through yesterday. I do feel stronger today. I mean, obviously everything in the UK changed yesterday, so I'm glad I went and did my little drive yesterday, because we now can't, we're on lockdown completely, so things have really changed here, but it needed to be done, and hopefully the sooner that this was done, the quicker we can get through and not spread this virus to the extent that they're anticipating. But you know, yes, yesterday was so hard, but you guys all helped me so much, such wonderful messages of support, and I know you're all going through different things or the same. You know, some of us are stuck in with the children, we can't leave, we're, you know, cabin fever, we can't get our food, there's people missing their relatives, can't see their family, worried about work. We have so many worries combined, all of us together. So I just want you to know I am here for you the same way that you was here for me yesterday. It meant the world to me, honestly, and you really helped me and got me through a really difficult day. So thank you. I can't promise I won't have more of those days, but you know, I know that you at home will also have these. So I am here. Either you can leave a comment below, you can email me. I'm on Facebook, Channelle Wise, which is CHANNELLE Wise, WISE. Add me as a friend. We can chat by messenger. There's lots of different ways. So if you don't want to talk on the group, you know, and get it out your system, or have a cry or a rant or a rave, you can do it to me via messenger, or you know, we'll find another way. So thank you for yesterday. Honestly, it meant the world. So I have some hellos to do. So these are people that I haven't said hello to. So hello to you all, everyone that's watching. A big hello to Andrea Witchycrafter. She has health conditions and suffering from anxiety. So, you know, not easy at all. We have April W, big hi to AU April as well, and Victoria Kellogg and Anita Klein. Hello. Also a big hello to Sue Greenwell, who has children and grandchildren that she can't see, so she was saying that she totally understands and where I'm coming from, and as we do with everybody. A big hello to Laura Hale. And then a huge hello as well to Nick, who left a really big long message letting me know about what's going on where she is, and she's on a specific diet and she can't even get the foods that she needs for her diet. So you know, that then causes problems as well. I mean, we can't get home delivery at all, so when they say you have to be in isolation, well, we have to go and get food shopping. We have to go out, you know, because you can't get food delivery here at all. So, and she's also said that she misses her dad. Her dad works abroad, then he has to come home and be by himself. So, you know, quite a few things going on there for Nick. So a big hello to all of you, and I'm sending my love to you all, and like I said, I am here when you need me as much as I need you. And I do have another hello. I left one out for a purpose. Now this might be a clue to one of you watching at home. Wait a minute, if I can do it. I don't know if I can do it. Let me see if I can do it. Oh, hold on. I don't want to run Charlie over. Right, this is a clue for one of you out there. Okay, so that's a clue. So if you know this, why I'm doing this, you know who you are at home. Do you like them? They're upside down, you can't really see them as in properly, but Yes, Lauren Butler, who said that I should get my heels out. I am known as Stamping Stiletto, and I can sit and craft in my heels. It might make me feel a little bit better. So these are heels number 1. Okay, so there are a pair of my heels, and I will be crafting in my heels today. Lauren left a lovely message as well and said that she loved seeing all of the photos from the wedding, and I should get my heels out. So I've got them out. Okay, they're on. I am going to be crafting in a bit. We're going to be doing the pick and mix crafty pick and mix challenge. I'm not going to do it as in this video because I want to do them as separate videos in case people are not following these videos but they want to follow the pick and mix. So I'm going to be doing that in a minute. I should be picking out my 5, and who knows, I might get rubber stamps. So stamping stiletto. If not, I'll just sit here and dance in them. So this is my hello and update today. So excuse me, we will be doing the crafty pick and mix, but I'm going to do it in an individual separate video. So I will see you later on in that video. I hope you're going to take part. We do have a few people taking part. We have Liz Nixon, Joanne Sanderson, Sue Harvey, Gina Loves to Craft, Mindy Apadoton, Crafty Mumu, T Wood Crafts, Judith McPherson, Colleen Riley, and Always Believe. And I'm sure we will have lots more that want to take part as well. It's going to be so much fun. I'm a bit scared actually because I'm thinking, oh, what if I pull something out I've never used? Like, I am dreading structure paste. If I get structure paste, I don't know, but I have to use it. Okay, so hope you're all doing it. Go around your craft room, writing down your list. I shall see you later on. Take care. Love you. Bye.